Today, because of the popularity of this planter right here, which has been on our channel for a while, we are going to do a very similar one here using the exact same box, but with a different stand. We're still going to put the profile on the box, which you're going to get the link to at the end of the video to how to do that, or you can just leave the box plain if you want to. This style, I believe, came from Annika's DIY Life. It's been on YouTube a bit on various channels, and I really like it. I'm going to build a second version of it after the first one's done, of just the stand, using only these tools here, in case you don't have a miter saw and a table saw. After the build is done, I'm going to show you how you can do this without putting the cross braces in here. I prefer the cross braces, but I'm going to show you how to do it without them at the end of the video. Okay, now let's get to it. For assembly, I am using 1 1/4 inch brad nails. Here are the dimensions. Make sure you cut the long ones point to point. Okay, first one's done. Now we're going to do the version with the small tools. Now, assuming you don't have the table saw, you're not going to be able to put the groove in there. That's fine. Just make the box all plain and normal, and you can put it together just using a hammer and nails. And you're definitely going to have to learn how to use a speed square if you don't know how to already to get the angles right at the 15 degrees that we need. Demonstrating how to use a speed square. Put your pivot point on the board, move it to 15 degrees, and there's your angle cut. Here I am spraying with flat black enamel. I did 3 coats. Okay, there's the second version done. Now we're going to take our box here, and if you don't want to put in the cross braces, then you're going to use the box as your structural support. So if you're going to do that, make sure that you get something like these fine number 6 deck screws here to go in and give you a little bit extra strength, because when you're gluing end grains, they don't grab that well and they're not consistent, so you don't want your box falling apart. So that's just going to give you that extra strength. But all you're going to do then is just take your leg and just find whatever position you want it to be in, and then just drive a screw through in a couple places on both sides, and there you go. Guess which one's which? Which one I made with the hand tools, which ones I made with the good tools? So we'll call this one A, we'll call this one B. Leave in the comment which one you think is which. Be sure to like and subscribe. Okay, and of course, if you want to see the video on how to make the groove in the box, then just check it out over here. And if you want to see another planter, look at that one over there.